I've just been informed Petey is doing shenanigans. Let's find out what he's doing. What the hell are you doing? Apparently he was upset there was no milk bone sale at CVS this week, and he's taking his frustrations out on the CVS flyer. Anyway, there's also, this is Petey's playpen. Yeah, we got the dog an entire, he's basically got a room. Because why not? What are you doing? What did you do over here? There could have been coupons and stuff that we could have used to buy things. That's my hand, that's not yours. What? You gonna clean it up now? No?